You can witness Arabian Sea from this hillock. It is well known for its mesmerizing nature. It is hub for hundreds of waterfalls. Absolutely friends, that is Cherrapunji of South India, Agumbe, the heaven of Western Ghats. Agumbe is situated in Tirthahalli Taluk of Shivamogga district in Karnataka. Agumbe has unmatchable scenic beauty in Western Ghat. From peaks of Agumbe, you can witness the sunset on the horizon of Arabian Sea. To see this mesmerizing sunsets, thousands gather here in Agumbe. It is delightful to watch the sunset during October and November. But during monsoon, Agumbe has its own beauty that will cherish you forever in your lifetime. It is pleasing to watch sunset in rainy season as well. Many sandalwood and Bollywood movies shot in this scenic beauty around Agumbe. Agumbe is 95 kilometers from district headquarters Shivamogga and 348 kilometers from state capital Bangalore and 101 kilometer from coastal capital Mangalore. 285 kilometers from the twin cities of North Karnataka, Hubli and Dharwad. Agumbe is 2,314 feet high from sea level. Agumbe witness highest rainfall in South India. Herpetologist Romulus Whittaker coined Agumbe as the capital of Indian cobras. Agumbe has Karnataka's most dense forest in this region. Friends, you can witness tallest trees in this part of Agumbe in and around Western Ghat. Whenever you visit Agumbe, you must be aware of bloody dangerous leeches. Agumbe has well-known waterfalls. Some of them are Barkana waterfalls. This is one of the most picturesque waterfalls in this province. This waterfall has height of 850 feet. You can see Milky waterfall and you can bath as well. This waterfall is created from Sita river. It is just 1 kilometer from Agumbe town. Wanake Abbi waterfalls. Wanake Abbi waterfalls is another marvelous waterfall in Agumbe. This waterfall is just 8 kilometers from Agumbe town. From this waterfall, you can see an incredible view of valleys. Jogi Gundi waterfalls. Jogi Gundi waterfall is just 3 kilometers from Agumbe town. You can visit this beautiful waterfall on the way to Barkana waterfalls. But you need to trek 10 to 15 minutes from the main road. Kudlu Tirtha waterfall. Kudlu Tirtha waterfall has a height of 300 feet. This is also created out of Sita river. Many Indian Hindu saints did penance in this place. Hence it is believed that it is the most pristine waterfall in entire Karnataka.